morning, dear blooming students and friends. This is Suresh Bharadwaj, TGT English, retired from Navodaya Vidyalaya, Jianpur, Azamgarh. Yesterday, I am before you with not finite verb, that is participle. Participle. That participle functions as an adjective and adverb. This participle functions as an adjective or adverb. Participle is classified into three: present participle, past participle, and perfect participle. Let us learn the uses of a present participle. प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल में क्रिया में ing लगा होगा और उसका हिंदी में निकलता है करके, कार्य करता हुआ या कार्य जारी. एक्शन दैट इज इनटू कंटिन्यूएशन, वर्ब ing ऐसा आता है. पार्टिसिपल होगा, प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल होगा. एग्जांपल हियर, everyone worships the rising sun. Everyone worships the rising sun. Rising, उगता हुआ, कार्य करता हुआ सूर्योग्रहण, उगता हुआ सूरज की सभी लोग वर्शिप पूजा करते हैं. राइजिंग, उगता हुआ. एक्शन इनटू कंटिन्यूएशन. हियर यू सी राइजिंग, उगता हुआ. राइट. Participle, present participle. Okay. The book is interesting. The book is interesting. Interesting, रुचिकर, रुचि में रखने वाली, रुचि देने वाली. Interesting participle. She entered स्माइलिंग, हंसते हुए, वह कक्षा. आई सी हिम आयनिंग द क्लोथ्स, कपड़ा प्रेस करते हुए मैं देखता हूं. आयनिंग, करता हुआ, कार्य करता हुआ, आयनिंग करता हुआ, प्रेस करता हुआ. व्हिस्लिंग, सीटी बजाते हुए. He takes bath, वह नहाता है. Participle, present participle. None is a friend of dying. मरता हुआ मैं, कोई मरते हुए का कोई साथी नहीं है. Dying. ये these are rising, smiling, whistling, interesting, ironing, and dying. These are present participle. Okay. Now, as an right here you say functioning as an adjective or adverb. चलिए, rising sun. अगर हम यहाँ कहें beautiful sun, beautiful adjective. This participle qualifies. Rising qualifies sun. Adjective here. Participle adjective here. The book is interesting. अगर हम कहें the book is costly. Costly. Adverb here. The book is interesting means this is an adverb. Adverb modifying is. Okay. He, she entered smiling. Smiling participle, modifying entered. Smiling adverb. Ironing the clothes. Clothes. This is participle. Okay, as an adjective qualifying clothes. Okay. Whistling, he takes a bath. Whistling as an adverb. Adverb की तीन प्लेस होती है, फर्स्ट, सेकंड और थर्ड प्लेस, राइट. in the beginning of sentence and in the end of sentence and in middle. So first of all, now this auxiliary has been written here adverb. Dying man, none is a friend of dying man. This is now functioning as an adjective. So these are participle, okay. Rising, smiling, whistling, are interesting, ironing, and dying. Functioning, some of them you see, you have seen, functioning as an adjective, some functioning as an adverb. Now next is past participle. Past participle, कार्य बिल्कुल समाप्त हो गया, हुआ हुई ऐसे आएगा हिंदी में. देखिए समझिए. A broken pen is lying on the table. एक टूटी हुई, broken, टूटा हुआ, तोड़ने का काम समाप्त है. Pen is lying on the table. टेबल पर पड़ गया, पड़ा हुआ है. I am a retired teacher. I am मैं हूँ retired सेवा मुक्त अवकाश प्राप्त टीचर अध्यापक. मैं सेवा मुक्त यानी सर्विस का काम तमाम हो गया, रिटायर्ड, सेवा मुक्त हुआ. Don't walk out displeased. ना खुश हो करके, don't walk out, बाहर मत चलो. Past participle. She was looking frightened. वह भयभीत दिख रही थी. Frightened, भयभीत हुआ, दिख रही थी. Past participle. The soldier was left wounded. सैनिक घायलावस्था में छोड़ दिया गया, घायल हुआ, छोड़ दिया गया. अनकंपनीड, जिसके साथ में कोई न हो, यानी असहाय, अकेला हुआ, छोड़ दिया गया. Here you see now as an past participle, broken past participle, retired past participle, displeased past participle, and frightened past participle, wounded and unaccompanied past participle. So this past participle, now it is two. This is now participle functioning as an adverb or sometimes adjective. Adverb adjective के रूप में आते हैं. इनको देख लिया जाए, समझ लिया जाए. A broken pen here now. So this broken qualifies pen. So it is an adjective. Retired teacher. I am a retired teacher. Teacher here now. So this retired qualifies noun teacher. So it is adjective. Don't walk out. Okay. अगर हम कहें don't walk out slowly, adverb हो गया. तो here displeased adverb. She was looking frightened. यहाँ भी adverb. The soldier was left wounded. Adverb. Last में आ रहा है and qualifying adverb, modifying left. This modifying here preposition. This modifying adverb, modifying verb. Okay dear. Now last and next, that is last, perfect participle. Perfect participle having verb third form, कार्य करके या करने के बाद. Generally two actions taking place together, okay, and if one action is over, then second action starts. Now here you see, here are the examples you may see here. Having taken food, भोजन लेने के बाद, having taken, भोजन लेने के बाद या भोजन करके, I go to school, मैं विद्यालय जाता हूँ. Having taken, perfect participle. Okay. हैविंग फेल्ड ट्वाइस, हैविंग फेल्ड दो बार फेल होने के बाद, दोबारा फेल होने के बाद या दोबारा फेल करके she will not try again, वह पुनः कोशिश नहीं करेगी परीक्षा बैठने की. Here you see having verb third form perfect participle, having failed perfect participle. Okay, take right, perfect participle. You see here present participle, past participle, and here perfect participle, right? यहाँ देखिए, look at this structure. Being surprised at his success, I made no comment on him. This is now passive form. Passive form being verb third form. Passive voice of now present participle. Being surprised at his success, उसके सफलता पर आश्चर्यचकित हो करके I made no comment on him, मैंने उसके ऊपर कोई comment नहीं किया, कोई टिक्का टिप्पणी नहीं किया. Being, so here you see now passive voice of present participle. Here you also see starred, starred structure here. Having been failed, यहाँ से हमने ले लिया है having failed twice. Having been failed, दोबारा फेल हो करके या फेल होने के बाद she will not try again, वह ट्राई पुनः नहीं करेगी. Means having, ये having verb third का passive, having been verb third form, इसका passive क्या हो गया? Having been verb third form. Okay. Now, on this system, on this pattern, you may frame, you may use so many other sentences. Wish you all the best. Have a nice day. Thanks a lot. Dear, please do like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Thanks a lot.